So let's learn how to fix this problem whereby you're subscribed to a YouTube channel and you want to allow personalized notifications by turning that like this, turning personalized notification like this, and then you see this problem of request contains an invalid argument. Okay, let's learn how to fix that. So you're going to make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments section down below if this works for you. Okay, so now what you got to do when you have such a problem, do this. One, I want you to do this, make sure you unsubscribe to the channel. Okay, then they show you the unsubscribe from Flavia to Musime. This is the name of the channel I'm subscribed to, and then you're going to have to retry to subscribe again. Okay, subscribe again, you can see, okay, right there, and then you can see the personalized part has been ticked and the problem is no longer there. Okay, so basically you just have to make sure you unsubscribe to the channel and then subscribe again to overcome this problem. See you next time.